Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a Christmas look using the Morphe 35B palette and then this Kat Von D Anniversary palette. We're going to use the reds in here and the green in here. So I am just going to get started. First we're going to prime our eyes using this color right here. And I'm going to use just a fluffy brush. This came in the Naked palette. For the first two colors, I'm going to use this for the second color and this for the first. Next, we're going to go in with this peach color right here, and we're going to put this above our crease. Next, we're going to take this red color right here and we're going to put it closer to our crease and in our crease. Because I really wanted a darker red, I'm going to go in with this Alamar palette. And I'm going to use this color down here. And I'm using this Urban Decay blending brush. And I'm just going to put it right in my crease. And onto my lid, so when I do a cut crease, I can blend some of it and it's not there as much. Okay, now I'm going to go in with this MAC paint pot in the color Soft Ochre. It's not ochre. And I'm going to put this on my lid. I'm using this Alamar brush. Okay, I've got it on both eyes. If you don't have this, you can use any kind of concealer. I'm just going to cover it up or set it with that first color we used, this color right here. And I'll just use this brush. This is a crown brush. Looks sturdy, but it's not. Now I'm going to take this Aesthetica brush and I'm going to take the green right here and dip it in and make a winged eye. And I'm going to use MAC Fix Plus to kind of make it brighter. We all know I suck at wings, but here is the idea of what it looks like or what it will look like. I did put some down here at the bottom as well. So I'm going to put mascara and lashes on and be right back. Okay, this is the finished look, and just so you know, I am using Morphe on my lips. This is the color Virgin. So this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think, and I want to see you guys' photos. So if you do any Christmas looks, or if you did this look, you can link your Instagram or whatever in the comments, and I would love to check it out. Thanks for watching, and I hope y'all have a wonderful day and a happy Thanksgiving or Merry Christmas, depending on when you watch this. Bye!